Hello there, Magalanga. This is Raine of 5 p.m. Online Jam. And in few minutes or few seconds rather, we have uploaded this video for you to watch today and hope you enjoy watching. Just enjoy listening. And of course, if you don't mind, kung hindi nyo makadikit si Raine, please like, subscribe, and leave your comments. And of course, request nyo na rin kung may mga request kayo. And shout out everybody here. Hello, shout out to you. And here's the song for you all. Enjoy watching. Thank you, mga langga.
Gonna make the change for once in my life. Yeah, it's gonna feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right. As I turn up the collar on my favorite call, this one is blowing my mind. I see the kids in the street running off to eat. Who am I to be blind, pretending not to see their needs? I saw much disregard. I've been broken by the time, and I want it so. They follow each other on the wind, you know. Cause you got no place to go. That's why I want you to know I'm sorry when I'm mad in the road. I'm asking you to change his ways, and no decision could have been any clearer. If you wanna make the world a better place, I take a look inside, then I make a change.
Hello there again mga langga. Naku, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa pakikinig at panonood ng aming video today. And we have also more uploads in our channel, so hope you don't mind clicking them and listening, and of course leave your comments below. Thank you all so much for the support. Again, this is Raine and Badjhoe of 5P and Online Jam. Bye! Thank you mga langga!